Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator in Twitter. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type twitter.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's try to enable two-factor authentication. Right here on the side, that's the left section, you will find something called as More. Click on it right now and this will open up. Let's simply go to Settings and Privacy. This right here is the settings page. Well, there are lots of options like accounts and everything, but let's simply focus on security and account access. Click on this button right here. Then something like this will pop up on the side. Well, here are the options: security, apps and sessions and everything. Let's simply click on security and there you go. Right here at the very top, you'll see something like two-factor authentication, and below it there's a button called as two-factor authentication as well. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then it's gonna give me a few options, whether I want to enable two-factor authentication with my text message, authentication app or security key. Right now I want to enable it with my Google Authenticator, so I'm gonna click on the second option. Click on this checkbox. It might prompt you to enter your password. Enter it. Once you've entered it, click on continue. Now it's gonna show you something like this. Let's simply click on get started. Here's the code right here. Scan it from your Google Authenticator app. As you can see, I have opened up the Google Authenticator application in my mobile device, and at the bottom right there's a plus icon. Simply click on it and these two options will present themselves, like enter a setup key and scan a QR code. Select the second option that says scan a QR code, then simply scan the code. Well, as you can see, I have successfully scanned the code, and right now I'm gonna click on next on my laptop device right here. Now it's asking me to enter the OTP. I'm gonna enter it right here, and once everything's okay, I'm simply gonna hit on confirm. Well guys, that's it. Let's simply click on done, and there you go. We have enabled two-factor authentication in Twitter. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.